Okay, maganda ang araw. Okay, so naka-video. Ay, Aliyah! Aboy! Sus, copying. I'm so happy nakapag-catch up ako with them. And si Aliyah nakatulog naman.
Welcome to our life in UK. Simple life, lots of adventures, and family. Join us and don't forget to subscribe, guys.
Hello, family! Kumusta kayong lahat? Sana ay okay kayo. Another vlog po tayo ngayong araw and it is Sunny Saturday. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ang ganda ng araw. O, diba? Andito ako sa garden. O, ayan. Yes! Okay. Maganda ang araw. Okay. So, naka-swimming costume tayo. Actually, tatanggalin ko lang tong aking skirt. Ito ay aking swimsuit. Dahil mayroong swimming lesson si Aliyah. So, time check is 10:20. Ang swimming lesson niya 11:30. But we have to leave here 11. Ang aso ko tumatakol. Stop barking. Paghihiwalayin ko para ito hindi nagbabark. So, today, this weekend, actually, ako lang, me, Aliyah, and Lady. Kasi yung daddy namin, si Andy, he is in Spain. So, mayroong stag do or yung friend niya ikakasal. So, para siyang bachelorette party for the ladies. But this, in the UK, they call it stag do. Or it's for the groom-to-be. Ayan. So, Friday, 1 a.m. umalis si Andy. And then, yung flight nila ata sa Heathrow was 4 a.m. Yan. And then, nakarating sila sa Ibiza ng mga 9. 9 a.m. na siya nag-text sa akin. So, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday pa ang balik niya. 4 days? 4 days silang mag-iinuman, guys. Yes. So, ganun siya. Inuman, kain, fun. I don't know what else they do in stag do. Pero, like any other, they are having fun. So, yung kami lang ni Aliyah this weekend. Pero, nung Friday, si grandma niya ay pumunta dito to help me get ready in the morning. And then, pupunta ulit siya sa Monday to help me get ready. Me and Aliyah get ready on Tuesday. Yan. So, pero Saturday, Sunday, Monday, ako lang. And Lady and Aliyah. So, kaya naman. So, kagabi, okay naman. And, of course, we are, coping. We're fine. So, kung kami lang ni Aliyah, okay naman kami. So, today, let's go swimming time. Let's go, guys. Baka hindi ko na kayo madadala kasi pag nandun na kami, go na. So, update ko na lang kayo mamaya. Ano?
A few moments later.
Hello! Nakauwi na tayo from Aliyah's swimming. Actually, medyo na-busy kami today. Ano na Aliyah? So, ito si Aliyah. Oh. Hi, Aliyah! Aboy! Sus, copying mama. Gusto din niyang mag-eyeglasses. Oh. So, ngayong araw, nag-surprise visit din yung ate ko. Kasi, dumaan sila malapit sa amin. Kaya, tumawag sila and said na, dadaan kami dyan sa inyo. So, sabi ko, yes! Because, wala namang kaming gagawin ni Aliyah aside from swimming. At saka balak din namin mag-town. So, minute namin sila sa town. And then, nag-lunch kami. And then, after lunch, bumili kami ng bubble tea. And then, umuwi na sila sa London. Ayun. Kasama yung brother-in-law ko, tsaka yung pamangkin ko si Lana. At tsaka yung ate ko. Si Ateng. Manang. Ayan. So, I'm so happy nakapag-catch up ako with them. And si Aliyah nakatulog naman. Ayan. So, ngayon, nakauwi na kami. At ako ay naglilinis ng, nag-clear ng dishwasher. Habang si Aliyah ay pinapanood ko muna ng, Netflix, para malinis ko na to. At nang ma-clear ko na itong dishwasher namin. So, kami pa rin, kami lang dalawa ni Aliyah, as you know. Tumawag kanina si Andy. Nasa swimming pool sila. If you know, sa mga nag-stag do, nagpa-party-party yung mga yon, umiinom sila, ganun. So, support lang din yung asawa ko. Kasi nung siya naman yung kami yung kinasal, pumunta din yung friend niya na ikakasal ngayon. So, kumbaga give and take ba. Nagre-reheat tayo ng food for Aliyah. It's her dinner time, guys. So, time is 6 p.m. I'll just feed her now because she didn't eat proper lunch today. Natulog lang siya kanina. So, I think she is proper hungry. So, bibigyan ko siya ng rice. Tsaka, nagluto ako ng giniling kagabi. Ayan. So, sweet tong giniling, diba? And she loved it so much. Ayan. So, meron itong carrots, minced pork, carrots, potato, raisin, tsaka tomato. Ayan. Naubos niya rin yung food niya kagabi. Ito din yung dinner. Yes, baby! Oh, wait for mama. I'm just heating up your food. I'll be there in a minute. Parang ang dami kong nilagay, Ayun. Nagtatawag na siya. I-heat natin ng 2 minutes. Right. Natin. Pinapanood ko lang muna siya ng Peppa Pig. Kasi wala naman akong kasama sa bahay ngayon, 'di ba? Wala si Daddy. E di sino ang tatawagin natin? E di si Peppa Pig. Ano, lady? What's up? What's the matter? What's up? What's up, baby?
You are
Come back.
very helpful, but Emily.
Do you wanna drink? I'm heating your food na.
I'm not very sure. I might do it like this.
You lie down. Lift up your head. Head up.
Emily Elephant is good at building blocks. It is playtime.
Would you like to play outside with the others?
Yes, please.
Can someone show Emily where we play?
Yes, Mommy.
Pakainin ko na rin yung aso ko kasi nagtatampo na yung aso ko. Hello, baby. Oh, that's your sister. Hi. Look at your sister. She's sulking. Yeah? Okay. You're eating your dinner soon. Okay? Just one. Yeah? How about Lady? Okay, Mommy give Lady her food now. Okay? Pakainin na din natin tong ating aso, guys. Ay! Hala, Lady. Last na. I will have to refill your food. Nakalimutan kong bumili ng ano yun? Tomato. Parang meron pa ako ditong salted egg. Matagal na to. Sure. Yan. Pakainin natin si baby ng giniling. Medyo mainit pa. Giniling for baby. Parang giniling na din ata yung dinner. Tinatamad ako.
Pulling was very big and fast like a balloon. Top. That's like a balloon.
Okay, guys. Hello. Oh, akyat na kami ni Alea. Come on, lady. Come. Yeah, I'll give you your tax later. Yeah? Oh. Come on. Oh, akyat na daw si girl, oh. Come on. Hold tight, please. Hold tight. Oh, we're going to bed. Someone is going to bed. It's okay. Lady is not coming. She's staying there. Okay, in your bed, baby. In your bedroom. We are in Aaliyah's bedroom and she's going to sleep soon. Are you going to bed? Yeah. Come on now. Alright, here we go. Come on, let's get ready for bed. Bedtime. And then we read your books. Up. Mommy, help. Princess and the Pea. Okay. So let's put your pajama first. Right, come on. Book. Your book. Mommy read it for you. Right, let's remove yours first. So, bihisan ko lang siya, guys. I'll update you later because I have a job to do to put my daughter to sleep. Because, ako lang mag-isa. Actually, nakalak lahat ng pintuan sa baba. Pero nandun si lady. Look. Ay, maaraw pa. Yun, kita nyo? Maaraw pa. Pero, kailangan na niyang matulog. Kasi sabi niya, night-night na daw. So, meaning, inaantok na to. So, time check. Ay, 8 o'clock na ata. Yeah, 8:02 in the evening. Sabi niya kanina, Mommy, night-night. So, meaning, I want to go to bed. So, which is fine. Nagpapalit na siya ng pajama. Tapos, nagbabasa na siya ng libro niya. Ayan. Okay.